Otiato iwinjo kanyo ka duol mochung' ne kedo kod mibadhi pacho ka EACC bende osewacho kanyo ni gibiro bedo ka gitimo mibadhi, gibiro bedo ka gitimo nonro. Un bende kaka County Assembly nuwacho nutimo nonro magu. Uneno ka duol mar EACC ka timo nonro bende biro bedo ka konyou ahinya ahinya e yango maling'ling' mantiere kaunti ma Siaya.
Erokamano Sharon. Gima danda wacho ni mokwongo an got advantage in I've worked with the EACC and I know what actually it does. On a issue mwango kane mukongo kapoka respond to gima wacho about the EACC. Wangenento Krisa winjo kawacho gimoro. One thing ne procedurally gikma Chris temo wacho gite is the steps that we are making. Ne and again king'iyo the nature of gik matimrege nitiere kinde moko Sharon an asebedo ga advantage moro ne other than working na nitiere kinde moro manatimo story moro kinde go katiyo gi police mar dialogue convict natimo investigation mag tije moko mag nyawawa inagi manetimre Kenya mangima. And we did a very big story with the Nation Media Group on which Magandikogi. One got a very good starting point. To Gimawachane Nyaka Assembly, Katakoro Kamose Chopeni, what deal got the situation Mokoma, Gimadanda Gomb, Nakaka Winjoka, Usipama, Jatende EACC Wacho. Ne wame joage kurusa ne korocha kose pukre. There is no shortcut. Either nyakibi wache no adir igimano timre or you forget about it. Okay, kigo no koko kamora mora. Luong bia ne monde wache no adir. Me wane a very straight issues manotimre. No luongi ne donji tiji ni nango to ne pesa dima ni yoto nigo le kanye to ne miyo. Because Sharon kiwinjo ne this particular activity ne imi barua mobedo backdated from 2023 nitiere very strict issues Chris temo wache to okokele ma clear one ne sabanyo mi barua monday 2023 mibiro whoever was doing this posting magoli one polling center magoli makore select moga acceptance nini beende ko 2023 to kanende ko 2023 whoever is this chief officer is now posting you the letter Monday 2023 ni enga to bende no ndiki 2023 were we having budgetary line for employment of that number in 2023 so why now from that alone there must be something. So I'm in my sitting Kamabeti. I also have some of the documents. There are people who believe on us. So we are also getting the documents. The question is, nyawawa ne na odbi barua mubedo backdated to 2023. You never checked on that he posted. Can check in another station after the initial posting? How did you do this with that initial letter? Also this fake document was backdated. So if it is a cartel running around, then this matter will be sorted. And Sharon, I still believe this one is a matter that we are going to deal with conclusively. And not only in health, we look at all the other departments. To Skapono Yudoka, our team were not involved. For now, I can't say our people are not involved in it in any way. Like whatever is in my possession is even deployment letter reporting to the police station, to the workstation. Kangani not the board reporting workstation. To be routine 2023. How are you deploying it in 2025? So some of Bureau 2025, what does that mean? Do we want to pay from 2023 to 2025, even if this letter was backdated for any other reason? Yogi are not meaning well for us as a county. And I know, and this is what I've in a few times I've been able to talk with the governor or some of our very close friends who are inside, ne ng'ato mobed affected with all the allegations masane wayudo. Okay, ngamo county machielo, gin jo Siaya, and these people must get justice. But Chris Wala, from his statement, what I'm saying, ne allow us as assembly. It's not about ngamano biruno samano mi baru mobido backdated. You must have known ne temo illegality. Ijangomo mi indi 2025 tido anwa mi baru mondi 2023. Tibende kama inti you're just okay. You don't know chuli higini goduto. You are also doing an illegality. We are not torturing you on anything. Come and tell us the truth. We are after ensuring that we deliver justice for you. Because ngenye ne bendi Sharon King yo bro chalo gigi bro chalo hearsays. Because ngato bro na mi pesa. Where is the witness? Oh ano kachiwo pesa. Oh no mi barua. So all these people, well, mnakakaja EACC cha wacho. Ne adang to bomb. No mondo wakonyere. Mondo wa stop this matter once and for all. But nyaka wabende in ngano madhe no mondo do you justice. Ibe bigilwedo maler. Yinana akato na koso. Gajingen korse jamoke bro idoka from next week. Upon tomorrow is the deadline. My receiving of these complaints. From next week, akori do an job yobi. Tongamadu akoro appear before you to. Getting any to say wukoko. A TV sane one tiere. One camera moranga to ngato yuak. To samakoro kinyodo chako interrogation. And I want to tell them, Jokuma nyobido affected. Ngeurune. There is no shortcut. Kanye uso lopi moro bichiwo pesa. You are not going to get into the system. You are not going to come back here. So give me Tim. Yeye be watching wadir. Why will you suffer alone? Tibe nyon tieto duchejo kumoko manyo tumu. Just come and tell us. Mondo megini watie krego maber wa watching for the future. Kapo nitire makosa mora. And we still have a deficit. And gimangeyo we still have a deficit. In whichever way, kanga do new system, new tiyo, new run our accounts, new say bido for the 9 months, muse bido go to successfully. Let this passport be respected, or me and a fast marriage teach mare, but must be done procedurally and in the right way. In can you work the person you don't want to face us head on, or you don't want to face our partners, you have a problem. In ngano manyoro, nyo amua, te you don't have to manondik 2023 mobile before you in 2025. He posted mocking to be barupe mobile are genuine. One code watch. We will not allow no Siaya or suffer in any other way. And we will not allow no facilities or manucha one go manyo corona called do you know Nikatanda 300 masan in Tirel? Manyo Tioga, Yokitio, they were not ghosts. Nature again ghost kiwacho no ghost and ngano mitio mecholo maungegi matemo. Techule getting on the system. To my matiyo makede station, bekede nyo duty roster, you do kopange duty and he reports on the duty and he has his achievements every day. That is not a ghost worker. To samido wachananga is a ghost worker. To kaponyo jioto hospital on. Kenyes jamokede mo administer medications. Yo jiadimo se bido mobido diagnosed wrongfully or momiango a ghost workers me wachonwage. It is not right. But responsibility is both of us. Nano manyo biro manyo me teach. How did you get it? And Sharon, onge torture mawameo ya wutwage. Gini koro se katre lwedo ubi ngata manyon kodo wachimora mora mani chunye. Don't feel because it is what it is. Nyakakura ngibi monde wachin wadir. Maigi manen. Anto osipena na uso lupaka to na uso man keche tanade aneno ngane. Samang we deal with those matters. Do you know even the EACC has nothing. They will not do anything about this matter. Kapo no ko woko mo wacha di nkeche mostly I see from the statements what will come out when they are Gidinola no kolande. It is a criminal matter. Ngatubiro 2024 2025 wajuni neno tichmano land 2023 chenya logandiki kel pesa so that we push this matter wajenu bana ngata panoka pesa ku chini kucha wateri the police station report that is a criminal matter, not even an EACC matter. It's a criminal matter. We mark record ngama no mio pesa monetary for either offenses of obtaining offenses of personation also. Go deal and criminal matter within the DCIO or within the police station levels and not at the county. But do you really want to go there? Ngatumobid affected. Imagine, Sharon, the amounts that I'm hearing being quoted around. If you look at it across board with the numbers, what lose about 290 million, around 290, 250 billion. My is being claimed to have been received by either these criminals. Because these are criminals. So if the criminal gangsters Siaya will receive that money, meaningful. So, well, we will get a scapegoat from our side. We will get a scapegoat from our workers. But at the end of these investigations, I can assure you, Sharon, I will be seated in that assembly in either way, whether in the committee or outside. But we will ensure that the Siaya Jadir who was responsible for what. Whether there will be no direct link, whether it will be hearsay, let people know, and we will make it as clear as it is. This is what is being said. Ngane also involved. Ngane ni receive pesa from jogi. Ngane ni tumo magma. So that then the name of Siaya to be very clean. One I knows about the governor. You know, Sechimoko, what they too much. Governor as a person has a responsibility given to specific offices. And these specific offices work. And I have now an issue with our board. How will people? Siaya is a very small county. How will somebody work for 9 months without you knowing that that is a huge number? You must have been aware of what is going on. So, I will not say, but we are going to talk about this. Sharon, we are going to talk about this. I hope that when we start these proceedings, we should be going live. Ramogi should be here with us in all the proceedings from day to evening. Every witness is doing their accounts. Every document is being verified. What a shortcut. We are not going to please whoever did this mistake. No golo pesa nemoro. Not what on the system through backdoor. We are not going to please. Ngano mano receive pesa. No wonder your Siaya nyalo me obi tich. And not only just Siaya. And Sharon, do you know the extent of this damage? Ne awach ni ngato nyo tiyo kamoro. I can tell you this in without nene. I'm going to say namrogo na simbana ingene chiega ne tiyo kama no resign. Nikejene koro yudo tich nyocho no tiyo Eldoret nadwa no obi dala machiegni to na yudo ne chukoro resign kuchobiro. This person was employed somewhere else, resign bobiro nkecho koro yudo tich. Kowe luok maybe pesa manogolo koro onge kakata tijno. So it's not only one person. Jomoko maybe no resign kum tije manegi tiyo nkecho koro ge yudo tich. Or some people manyithindo manyocha nengo total orphans, mangato is a total orphan dalagi. No way, Katana low, Morono get join Kulelu from Miario, or they also low, Mondomio, you teach. Mondomio, you kako konya nyetindi. We are not going to take this lightly. We are not going to take it lightly. Nenga tuntire kamoromanya lubeto, or loss of pesa, igirwane, watch my to want to because we want to blame anybody else. So, Chris, we beg, allow these people to come in. We give me a assembly, and I allow the media houses. Or I beg that with the media houses, can you guys come? We run this thing. From morning to evening, Mondo Jungen, what is going on? This is just a disaster. Or winji from Gato Machielo, Majapino. As we speak now, let everybody else get it. And you will realize maybe not only in Siaya, this thing happens across these counties. Can we put a stop on it with this matter makorote Siaya? Thank you, Sharon.
Erokamana Otiato to bene menageno marwa ni jotije go mano 502 biro bedo kawuok oko.